Out fishing a new creek, and would you look at this? Big old snake. I already see a smallmouth. Yeah. Here's a smallmouth. Oh, he came off. Darn thing. Spit. There we go. Oh, he came off too. Trying a whopper plopper. Some sort. Nope. Oh, that thing hammered it. Oh, that was cool. Yeah, my first cast with it, the thing came up and... No, I don't really know what I'm doing with the whopper plopper yet. They're everywhere in this creek though. That's my goal for the day, is to figure out how to use a whopper plopper correctly. Oh, there we go. Thing hammered it. Okay, that was awesome. Uh-oh, is he caught on some weeds? Probably lost him. Come on. There we go. Yeah, not really. It's just caught in some weeds. There's a big old clump of weeds right there. There's a decent smallmouth. First one of the year for me. Goodbye. Yep, that was my first smallmouth on a topwater of any sort. That was pretty cool. Oh, I think he's hammered it. He missed though. There we go. Yep. Oh, that was cool. There we go. Quick release. Didn't even have to touch him. Perfect. Uh-oh. Getting some more weeds. Tough. Oh, there's a lot of smallmouth there. This bridge is going to be a good spot. Shoot. On this other side of the bridge, there's... I can see like 3 or 4 smallmouth. Oh, they're following it. That's pretty cool. We try to get behind them and get one. Oh, there we go. Oh, God. Yeah. Okay, buddy. Well, here's number 3 for the day. Beauty. There we go. And there's a lot of bass in here. Oh! That was really close. He bit so close. Wow. The fish are in here by the hundreds. Oh, there we go. That guy hammered it. Shoot. What a bass. There we go. Perfect. Big boy. All right, catch and release smallmouth. This is a nice topwater bait. I'm not even 100% certain if it's a water plopper or not. Cool beans though. There we go. Here's a fish. Don't break me off, dude. It's a nice little guy. Nice fish. There we go. Here's one. Like I hammered it. Oh boy. Shoot. Nice fish. This is a decent spot. 2 casts. Oh, there's 3. Oh, wow. 3 fish. Shoot. That's pretty cool. I think they might be a little more naive down this way. Oh, there we go. He came off. Good. I'd rather that happen than lose my lure. Oh, there we go. Shoot. That's 4 casts, 4 fish. That is nuts. Absolutely nuts. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. 4 casts, 4 fish. Yep, get beached, get beached. There we go. I'm just gonna release you. Another nice one. Bro. And I got a little tangle. Alrighty. Oh, he hammered that. There we go. That's 5 in a row. This one's a little guy. Oh, there we go. It came off. Oh, there we go. 6 bites in a row. Wow. There, come on, dude. Shoot, they give a lot of fight. There we go. This is a little guy. Still fun. Little dude. 6 bites in a row. Wow. If I ever come back here again, I gotta... Oh, he hammered that. There we go. 7 in a row. Cannot bring my light action stuff. It is not an option. Oh, this is a big one. This is a hog here. That is a hog. Oh, wow. What a smallmouth. Oh, we know you're tough. Big and tough. It's okay. The chunky one right there. Nice looking smallmouth. 7 fish in a row. No way 8 happens. Oh, and it did. Wow. Wow. Oh, he's an acrobat. Okay, buddy. Wow, what a fish. Oh, he has a minnow in his mouth. Shoot, dude, you were hungry, weren't you? You're eating everything. You just spit a minnow. Okay, buddy. Nice smallmouth. Goodbye. Oh, no good cast there. No spin. Oh, there goes my 8 in a row. Oh, he hit it. He still hit it. And my lure wasn't. Oh, he broke me. Oh, that was awesome though. My lure wasn't even spinning and it bit. Wow. 9 bites in a row. Shoot, I'm losing a lot of lures today. Gonna have to go to my heavier ones that I didn't really like using. That's all I got left. Gotta make myself some more lures instead of selling them all. Yeah, 6-pound line on an ultralight can only do so much. Shoot. That's funny. Oh, he hammered that one. They're all hammering it. They just, there we go. I think I just need to be a lot less. I gotta finesse them in a lot more because I can't muscle these around with my gear. It's all right. It's all right. There's some cranes I hear. Oh, perfect. He came unhooked and he's right here. Shoot, dude. There we go. Nice looking guy. Awesome. I was planning on going out to the mouth, but dang. This spot is fire. It's on fire. Absolutely nuts. The fish are absolutely, they're hammering my lures. Oh! Wow. That was cool. These fish are nuts. Yeah, they're coming in and eating the minnows. Like, I think that's a goby right there. But they're coming in and eating those things apparently. And they're probably spawning. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh. Come on, dude. Oh shoot, don't break me off. Oh, wow. That's a big one. I didn't think he was that big. He's a chunky feller. I hope I catch one of the ones that I lost my lure on. That'd be ideal. But I don't think I'm gonna get lucky. Come on, buddy. Just, there we go. There we go. Another nice smallmouth. This is an epic spot. Absolutely epic. Wow. Yep. Heavier line. Oh, he swiped. There we go. That's a big boy too. Shoot, boy. It's a nice, another nice smallmouth. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it. I am gonna have a lot of editing to do, that's for certain. Oh boy. Shoot, boy. It's okay. I'm gonna let you go. Another nice smallmouth. Oh, this is fun. Wonder what else would, oh, I got some weeds. Oh, oh, wow. That one just annihilated my lure. Woohoo! Oh, shoot. That's a nice one. Oh, don't break my line, dude. Don't break my line. This is a chunky smallmouth. He has some... Oh, shoot. Come on. I'll let you go, I promise. Just don't break my lure. I won't be... Oh my gosh. Look at that guy. Wow. This is an absolute chunk. That's a big one. It's a nice smallmouth. These are all, this is probably a 15-incher because this goes up to 13 and a half, my tape does. Oh, that is awesome. Goodbye, buddy. Shoot. That's awesome. I don't know if I can leave this spot. I want to go to the mouth. I wanted to, but dang. Oh, he hammered that one too. Shoot. Okay, buddy. Come back this way. How about that, eh? That's a big fish. Come on, buddy. Come on. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, shoot. He about beached himself.